Crypto.com app review. As an overview for you, Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency exchange and financial platform that offers trading, staking, a crypto debit card, and other financial services. The app is designed for both beginners and experienced traders, providing a user-friendly interface with various tools to manage digital assets. So, who should use Crypto.com? It might be for beginners and casual users, since its easy-to-use interface with various crypto services. And for crypto investors, cause it's good for long-term staking and passive income. Also for frequent traders, since it has low trading fees, but best for those who use CRO for discounts. And lastly, crypto enthusiasts, cause it offers DeFi, NFTs, and a Visa card for real-world crypto usage. As for the pros of the app, it was easy to use, which is beginner-friendly interface. A wide crypto selection that 250+ coins supported. A low trading fees that discounts with CRO staking. A crypto Visa card, a cashback rewards on spending. Also a .earn interest that up to 12% APY on deposits. As well as secure and regulated at 2FA, insurance and compliance. And lastly, NFT and DeFi features the built-in marketplace and wallet. But for the downside of this, or what we called cons, is that it has a high fees on instant buys, which was 2.99% to 3.5% for credit, debit purchases. And a slow customer support at response times can be inconsistent. Also a staking required for perks, since best rewards need CRO staking. As well as regional restrictions, which some features are unavailable in certain areas. Lastly is occasional app issues, bugs and lag reported by users. So in summary, Crypto.com is a solid platform for both new and experienced users, offering a wide range of features beyond just trading. However, the staking requirements, high instant purchase fees, and occasional customer support issues may be drawbacks. If you're looking for a versatile crypto app with strong security and financial tools, it's worth considering. And there we go. I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe. Also feel free to comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you again in the next video.